I'm Tony over at Q's, and back of me we have a really old bucket truck with an old versalift boom on it. We're a versalift dealer as well as a service center. If you're in the area, we're in New England, and your bucket truck needs service, we can service all kinds of aerial booms. We have a lot of resources for old parts and many different types of booms. This particular customer happened to pick this one up at an auction from what I've been told. It didn't work, the boom didn't work on it, so we dove into it and we're resolving a few things for the customer, and we'll show you real quick what we've done so far. Chad is one of our mechanics here over at Q's. What's going on, Chad?
Hi, how are you?
So, all right, we got one of our customers bought this truck at an auction, right?
Yep.
So, how did this thing come into us?
When they got it, this clutch pump was just hanging, and that's what runs the whole lift.
Yep.
So we had to make these brackets for it, this one and that one down here, and mount it up right and figure out how to run the belt on it properly.
Yeah, so the thing was just kind of hanging out in the engine bay?
Yeah, the lift didn't operate or do anything.
Right.
So once we did that, then we could test the lift, and we found that the main lift cylinder was leaking a lot, so we pulled that out and got it resealed.
Yep.
And I just put that back in yesterday.
Cool. What do we have left on this thing, you think?
Then we have to do the lower controls are leaking.
Okay.
So we'll have to take those out and get them resealed also.
Okay. And we resealed the hydraulic piston on it, right?
Yeah. And like main lift cylinder.
Okay. So did a little bit of work on this one, and we'll get it turned around soon and get it back in service. We're capable of tackling many different projects, whether they're big or small. If you have a hydraulic issue, an electric issue, your bucket isn't working on your bucket truck, if you're in the New England area, give us a call. We have a road crew as well as a service center. You can come on down, we'll check it out for you and get the issue resolved. We can resource many different parts, old parts as well as new parts, and be sure to call us at the 800 number below. Schedule some service.